currently wala mi nantagtaran diri kay bagura mi ni balhin, so we're gonna use plate mag chop mga ingredients. So let's go. Ribs of baboy. Okay. Pork ribs are naturally carb-free, so all of their calories came from protein and fat. A 3-ounce portion of ribs, about 210 calories or 1 rib's worth of meat, supplies 24 grams of protein, is a great way to fuel up your muscles because pork ribs supply all the amino acids you need to rebuild a muscle tissue. The fat came from a mix of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids, and each serving of ribs has 5 grams of saturated fat. Nutritionally, that's less than ideal, since saturated fat increases the level of bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. Their saturated fat content is why ribs are best eaten as an occasional meal, rather than an everyday consumption. And also, white rice has a higher glycemic index, which means its carbs convert more quickly to blood sugar than brown rice. Higher intakes of white rice may result in a higher risk of type 2 diabetes.